With power of a power. Max, with me, fold up your top one. Fold up your top one. We're doing power at the bottom. It should say power of a power. And it should look like this. Everybody on the right one. Stay with me. Stay with me. We're just getting started. Everybody see it? Power of a power. Yes? Power of power. Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. This is whenever I take something and I raise it. It already has an exponent because the power is just another word for an exponent. So this is whenever something has an exponent and then I put another one out there. Does anybody know what I do with those two exponents? So this is what you're going to write. Look, everybody look, pay attention, Brandon, come on. We're going to multiply the exponents. Okay, this is your square. This is the name of your square. This is what we're writing. We're multiplying the exponents when it looks like this, okay? So up here, you write multiply exponents. If you have, we're going to do two examples on here. A to the m and then to the n. If I multiply m times n, what does that look like? Y'all did this on your quiz. Mn, that's exactly right, Max. So it's just going to be a to the mn, okay? What you will see more of is if I have something like x raised to the third, and then I raise that to the second, what do you think that will give me? Okay. Look what I did here. The exponent is 6. The base stays the same. The exponent becomes 6. Right, Max? The exponent becomes what? 6. Did you write it on your thing so you can have it? All this is what I want on yours. Okay. Everybody got it? Steve, what's your say? All right, everybody go to the first one. Elijah, you got it? All right. Second one, tell me a top too fast. Top too fast. Flip the next one. Flip it up. Flip it up. Flip the next one up. What are we on now? What does it say? All right, what square am I in now? 0. Exponent is what I should be on. Okay. If you Max, let's say 0 exponent the next one. 0 If it does not say 0 exponent next, just go to where it does say 0 exponent. right, I'm in zero exponent. Hey, I need to come on. Where are you wrong? Anything to 0 is 1. If it's got a 0 exponent on it, it's 1. Again, we're going to do 2 examples, okay? Okay, Miss McGee. Okay, nice chat. Thank you, thank you. A to the 0. Guess what that equals? 1. 5 to the 0. That's right. Submit to the 0. We always are 1 if we raise to the 0 power. Dozier will give you one. Wake him up. Dozier, we need a Band-Aid out of the top right drawer, please. No, top right drawer of the desk. All right, everybody got to read down. Come on, Sadiq, you got it? Sadiq, Max, you got it? Do you need somebody to write it for you? No, I can do it. No, you cannot. Maybe you need to write it for me. You want Leah to help you write it, Matt? No, I got it. So you want me to write it? She's trying to make it neat, nice and neat for you. I'm not. I'll be quiet. Why did you lie and lie? What? What? You were trying to knock over my towel. I didn't try. I did. I didn't All right, next. All right. Aaliyah helped us out. Thank you. Just pay attention. She's making it nice and pretty for you. She said you're welcome, Matt. All right. All right, ready? Look it up to me. What are we on now? Power of a quotient. All right, pay attention. All right. That's enough. Somebody, tell me what a quotient is. What does it mean to be a quotient? Divide. Thank you. Divide. All right, you help it. Look. Get yourself together. What is going on? It's not cracking. Okay. Power of a quotient. If I am dividing, Max, dividing only. If I am dividing, then the exponent goes to the top and bottom. When you're dividing, Salik, where does the exponent go? And bottom. Both places. All right, we're going to do the example that's at the bottom, and we're going to do another one, okay? So if I have A over B with an M outside, okay? If there are other, I'm sorry. Okay. All right, let's do another example with it too. Okay. They didn't see what's holding you. All right, thank you, Mira. Thank you. All right, the next part of the example we're going to put in here. If I have X, did you say wait, Nevaeh? You're doing 2, so if you need to wait. If I have, even if the exponent is some number out here, it's still, where's it going to me? Where do you think it goes? Where's that exponent go? And to the ground and to the top. That's right. It goes to both. So X to the third, Y to the third. All right, ready to flip it up? Flip it up. What am I on now? Hey, you ain't gonna be able to do that. What am I on now? Product of powers. All right, you guys. Everybody scream. There's squirrels in my pants. All right. You should. I don't know. They won't play the game. We can do waterfall. Waterfall. What is that? A dead squirrel? All right. We've already done this. This is product of powers. What do you do with them? If you multiply with the same base. So if you are steady talking over me. Yeah, who said it? Look at you. Add the exponents. Add the exponents.
All right, then you go do that.
Max, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come sit up here with me. You can help me since she's doing your no, not that far back. Right there. You good. Since she's doing your thing, you can follow along on here. All right. Look at here. Here we go. Help me out with that now. All right. So the base must be the same. Now, what is the base? Ooh. What's the base? No, not that kind of base. No. What's this kind of base? It's kind of like that. It's the number that has the exponent hooked to it. It's the number that has the exponent hooked to it. Okay? So A is the base here. If those are the same, then all I have to do is add the exponent. So A to the M times A to the N, I just add them together, right? Yeah, so you remember. Remember when we did this before and we had a power of a power, we multiplied the exponent. Here, if I'm multiplying but the base is the same, I add these. So what does this become? X to the what? 5. Okay. Every time I slow down, you'll start yapping. A bunch of yappers, aren't they, Max?
Yeah.
Max is in charge right now.
Yeah, I'm in charge. Uh-huh. Yeah.
So, Megan, what you doing
I'm in charge.
now? What you doing right now?
Don't touch my computer. Don't touch it. That's my computer. What's the next one? This power of a product. Product of a.
Stop.
I'm helping.
No.
Power of a product.
All right.
It's like prison.
To the next one. What's your next square? What'd you say? What'd you say?
Sami, you gotta get a whooping. Oh. This one? You should see me in computing, Miss McGee.
Okay.
Yeah, you should see me in computing.
You don't act like this in Beck's class, though.
Oh, I sleep in his class. They mean in Mr. Beckley's class, though. Already did that.
Waterfall! I'm on the power of a product.
That would be my second time going to JROTC, yo.
Power of a product. This time it's different. If I'm multiplying inside the parentheses with something outside, okay? Does it work if you're adding or subtracting? Yeah. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take the exponent to everything in the parentheses. All right, come on, guys. To me. I'm fixing to move you right back up here on me. All right, put man under the track. Run.
You just scribbling in there, ain't
Come right back. Just there, grab
you? JROTC can't break me, right?
All right. Take the exponent to all things inside. So if I have AB to the M, you can't, yeah, sorry. All things inside. Now this is only when I'm multiplying inside the parentheses, okay? So see how inside the parentheses I'm multiplying? Then I take it to both. It was there already. What?
You really want to send me there? I already did it. I did it in Virginia. Fort Union Military Academy. They can't break me. I'm like,
all right, look.
Hey.
Listen, guys, focus. Come on, please have a seat. Come on, Leah. All right, look. Thank you for putting this on. All right, look. This doesn't look like I have 2 multiplied, but I do have 2 multiplied to make. What are my 2 things? The 3 and the x. You're exactly right. So it's going to go to the 3 and it's going to go to the x, okay? So it's going to be 3 to the 4, x to the 4. It goes to both. Go right here.
Oh, your computer's gonna explode.
No, fill it right here. Uh-huh. I think it's gonna blow up. Why? Around right at the back table. Everybody got this one? All right, yeah. All right, don't play with it now, Coach. Don't play with it now. All right. Yappers at table 2. Flip up the next one. What are we on now? Negative exponent. This is my favorite. Yeah. All right, negative exponent is what we're going to do. Don't go too far down. This will mess up. All right, when your exponent is negative, you're going to make it positive and move it. Make it positive. And move it. Where in the world am I going to move it to? We're going to move it either to the bottom or the top of the fraction. If it's in the top, we're going to move it to the bottom. If it's in the bottom, we're going to move it to the top. Wherever it is, we're going to make it positive, and we're going to move it. I'm trying. I need a cup of coffee. All right, if it's a to the negative m. Now notice it doesn't look like a fraction right now, right? But I'm going to make it into a fraction and make that exponent positive. So if it's negative exponent, I make the exponent positive and move it to the bottom of a fraction. If it starts out in the bottom, I'm still going to make it positive, but it's already in the bottom, so Samik, what I'm going to do with it? Where? To the top. You're exactly right. So it's going to be x to the second. You can go back here. Okay. All right. Go. I had my head down for half a second. All right. What's the last one say? Quotient of powers. Tell me this. When you multiply with the same base, what do you do with the exponent? Look back. If I wasn't dividing, if I was multiplying with the same base, what did you do with the exponent? You added them. What's the opposite of multiply? subtract the exponents. Alright, if I subtract them, to me, I was. To me, look at that one I just wrote. X10 over X3. What's right? I'm sorry. What do you think that equals? X10 over X3. What do you think that gives you? X7. You're supposed to subtract them. You're supposed to subtract them. All right, I'm going to give you a second to finish copying that before we move on to the next thing.